And the next dance we're going to do, Ted and I have to say that we're delighted with the inclusion of this dance on this video because it's actually one of our own prize-winning dances, Quality Quickstep. So we commence in ballroom hold facing diag centre. And we commence with 2 walks and a half natural turn in which the man chassis around to the right. So you get slow, chassis, quick, quick, slow. He is now backing the line of dance. We now dance a little back check and a chassis to the gentleman's right, moving diag centre against the line. Check, replace and side close side. We're now going to dance a double chassis, moving to diag centre, that's side close, with 2 walks outside of partner following on. So side close, walk 2. So let's put that all together from the beginning. So we've got walk, chassis, quick, quick, slow, check, replace and chassis out, double chassis, walk 2. We now go on to a little zigzag into a back lock. Now on this zigzag, the lady dances a heel turn, so she dances back together forward, while the gent dances forward, side, back. Turn, 2, 3. The man is now backing diag wall. Our lock step, the gentleman is dancing the back lock, where he crosses in front, the lady dancing the forward lock. Step, lock, step. Now we have a little running zigzag, which is backside, forward side for the man, and forward side, backside for the girl. The timing is slow, quick, quick, slow. Slow, quick, quick, slow. We now go into a lock step with a running finish. So again, the gentleman's going to dance the back lock where he crosses in front. Lady is going to cross behind. Slow, quick, quick, slow. Now the little running finish is backside forward for the man and forward side back for the lady. Slow, quick, quick. We now go into half of a natural turn again. Forward side close for the man to back the line is the little chassis. Slow, quick, quick, slow. Now, the end bit was the cheeky little bit of the dance. They're called back contra walks. And really, for the gentleman, it's just 2 walks back and then the little compact chassis backside close. They're cheeky because we put a little swing of the body with them, swinging in the opposite direction. So we just get walk, 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 side close. And you're now ready to start the dance again. So this time we'll take you right through the dance, the whole 16 bars, and we'll count it in rhythm for you. So we've got slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. Quick, 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 slow, slow. Slow, slow, slow. Quick, quick, slow, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Slow, quick, quick, slow, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Slow, 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 quick, quick.